We have a stripped stud here, lug nut stud. We're going to go ahead and get it replaced. It's quite simple. It's just a few steps. First one starts with removing the wheel. You can see the stripped stud right here. We're going to get it replaced. Now all you got to do is to remove the brake calipers. You have two 18mm bolts right there, and you go ahead, put a wrench on them because of space, and you take them out. And now that you removed your brake calipers, put them out of the way so they don't dangle and put a whole bunch of weight on them. And then simply remove your rotor. If your rotor is a bit snug, all you gotta do is get you a little mallet and tap up on here on it. Now that the rotor is removed, this is the bad stud. What we do is we get a hammer and hammer it out and then slide it out from the other side. Right here. And it's out. There's the bad boy. And now we put the new one in. Now that we slid back in the new stud, and we pulled it out quite a bit. It needs a little bit more. I tried it a couple of times and I realized that shimming it would give me the best results. So I put about 4 washers, heavy duty grade 8 washers. It's almost perfectly seated, just needs a little bit more.